Times are changing. The concentrated power endures. The secret of the Eibenstock power tool? It is made for marathon operations. The Eibenstock machine delivers best performance, has endurance, and is robust. Why does the Eibenstock machine run the way it does? Because we are developing customer-oriented, practical products. What makes the Eibenstock machine so special? Over 80% of the Eibenstock components are made in Germany. That means motor, gearbox housing, protective hoods, bearing shields, drill rig parts, all are made in the Ore Mountains. Why all this effort? The Eibenstock machine is the result of well thought out work. It is the product of decades of experience, modern technologies, and a high production depth. Our claim? Precision in all components. Therefore, we are also doing the casting and powder coating by ourselves. Where does the Eibenstock power come from? Through the perfect interaction between man and machine. For this, one wheel has to mesh precisely with the other. This is the only way to achieve what Eibenstock stands for: quality down to the last detail. What makes us proud? Our long-term employees. They are the head, heart, and hands of this company. Only they can turn a power tool into a real Eibenstock machine. Drilling, grinding, mixing, cutting at a consistently high level. Eibenstock, professional German power tools.